Bitmart app review. Bitmart is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade digital assets. It provides access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs, including spot trading, futures trading, and staking services. The app offers features like real-time market data, advanced charting tools, and security measures such as two-factor authentication, 2FA. Bitmart also supports fiat-to-crypto transactions, allowing users to purchase cryptocurrencies using traditional payment methods. As for the pros, it has a wide range of cryptocurrencies that supports hundreds of coins and tokens, including lesser-known ones. And a user-friendly interface with a clean and intuitive UI, suitable for beginners and experienced traders. A competitive trading fees that offers relatively low fees compared to some other exchanges, as well as security features that implements security measures like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and withdrawal whitelisting. And lastly is staking and earning features that allows users to earn passive income through staking and investment programs. But for its cons, it has a past security breach that was hacked in 2021, leading to the loss of around $150 million in assets. While they have improved security, this incident raised concerns. And a limited fiat support means buying crypto with fiat, e.g., USD, is possible but not as smooth as on top-tier exchanges. A customer support issues which some users report slow response times for support queries. As well as withdrawal delays, some occasional complaints about slow withdrawals, especially during peak trading times. Lastly is regulatory uncertainty, which some regulatory concerns in certain countries, so users should check availability. Overall, Bitmart is a solid exchange with a vast selection of assets and features since it has the key features of wide range of cryptocurrencies, spot and futures trading, and a staking and earning programs, but users should be mindful of its security history and customer support concerns. And so, I hope this been helpful to you by any chance. Please like and subscribe as always. Also feel free to comment your opinion and experience about it. But that was it then. See you again in the next video.